Today is February, I think. February 1st. It's either the 1st or the 2nd. It's the 2nd. Today's the 2nd. Yeah, I'm standing in my backyard. That's a door half covered by snow. This is no optical illusion. This is, I'd say up to the door handle there, that would probably be about, well, it's not up to the door, there's still space behind it, but that drift is about 3.5 to 4 feet tall. And it's all throughout the alley. I'm not even walking. Well, let's see how close I can get, because this snow is ridiculous. This is about as high as I can get. The wind has been 40 to 50 miles an hour all night. It's been shaking the house up. These snow drifts. There's not much snow on the side of the house because of the wind, but next to the neighbors, it's almost up to their damn porch. The snow's probably not half as bad as it would have been if it wasn't for this wind. Good amount of snow on the porch. My hands are freezing right now. I'm holding this camera. Now, as you can see, I tried to walk down to the next street. I got to about that far, and right there the snow was up to my knees, so I said, the hell with it. Anyways, you can barely see it over there. But the snow is like 3 feet high. Yeah, I'm not getting a good image. It's like 3 foot high at the end of the street. There's no way in hell I'm getting out of there. The police are about the only thing I've seen come past this house. This is ludicrous. This is usually the busiest street on the road. I've seen 2 cars come by and they were both cops, one undercover. I just want to try to get down there and see how bad my car is. I can see the tire. I'm going for it. Why the hell not? Nothing else better to do today. Oh shit. It is up to my knees. I can't get over there. I can't even walk over there. There's a giant drift anyways. Oh shit. This is horrible. This is the worst snowstorm of my life. Nothing has ever been worse than this. They were calling for it to be paralyzing snowstorm. They called it. On the head. Everywhere I look, I can't even walk through this shit to get to my car. This is absolutely nuts. I gotta put the snow on top of that bush alone. Okay, I'm going inside. It's cold out here. We'll see how long it takes before I can even drive a car today. Probably not till tomorrow. Goodbye.